Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check previous friends on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now let's open up the Roblox app here on your phone, or of course you can open it on a computer as well. Now let's say I tap on Friends here, and on any of these different ones, I unfriend them. So let's tap on a profile, and then tap the three dots here, and say I unfriend this specific person. So you'll be able to see it removes that specific person from this list. Now, if you wanted to friend them again, you could always tap the little person icon at the top right here, and then you could always search for that specific person if you remember their username or their name on there, or anything like that. Maybe you have mutual friends. It might suggest it under people you may know down below. So of course you can always search for them to just add them again. But another option is to just go back here and then tap on the Party tab, the chat icon at the bottom right. And on here, you'll be able to see Friends. It will also give me the ability to go into the chat. And basically what you can look for are those people that you were previously friends with, that you did chat with, that you did have conversations with, and then just go back and add them again. So on all of these, you can just scroll through and be able to find that specific account, and then just tap on their name and basically request to add them again as a friend. Unfortunately, there's no other way to be able to see every single person that you were previously friends with beyond trying to find them or seeing if you previously chatted with them in Roblox. So that's basically how you can check previous friends on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.